one more algorithm of classification under supervised algorithms. That's a KNN. KNN stands for K nearest neighbor. So we'll be using KNN for doing classification based on distance of a new cell or new data as compared to your existing data values. So whenever we get a new data, we'll be comparing distance of new data versus existing data values, and based on the nearest group type, we'll assign the group to the new data. So let's see that terminology before starting the technical terms. So first and foremost thing, it's a nearest neighbor simply algorithm. Store that's all cases or to classify. First and foremost, it will be used for classification, and KNN can be used for statistical estimation. It started in 1970. Thereafter, so many small formulas are being developed to improvise this KNN outcome. So first and foremost, let's see pros and cons of this algorithms. First and foremost, it is extremely easy to implement. So it don't require any prior knowledge of any study and all. So if you have basic knowledge of mathematics also, you can easily understand the working of KNN part. So we call it lazy learning because it don't require training before going for predictions. So once you have data with you, you can go directly for prediction. While you're predicting the things, before predicting, you will be getting the distance of new data value with your existing data values, and based on distance calculated with each data values, that will use the distance ranking to classify that new data value should be in a respective X group. So we'll see what is the X group and all. So no training before is required. So we can go ahead without going for training before. Even though keeping this process of sklearn, we will be having fit and predict process for going for KNN. There are only two parameters required. So if you have two parameters, you are good to go start with KNN. Though we do have option of working with multiple parameters, more than two parameters can also be used for predicting